friends, today we are going to learn about partnership deed. As we have seen that Eva and Ethan have started their firm, but with that there are so many questions in their mind, like what will be the capital, what will be the profit and work distribution among the partner, salary, interest, etc. So for that they went to one lawyer and lawyer gave one answer to all their questions, that is partnership deed. Now let us see what is partnership deed. It is an administrative constitute of the firm wherein all the provisions and rules and regulations regarding the partnership firm is recorded. It is like a rule book for the firm. Now let us see what Eva and Ethan have included in their partnership deed. The first is detail of partner, that is Eva Shah, Ethan Patel. Detail of partnership firm, that is Eat and Sip. Type of partnership firm, quick service restaurant. Commencement of business on 1/4/2022. Capital of the firm, that is Eva brought 5 lakh, Ethan's capital is 7 lakh. Next is interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings, not decided. Distribution of profit and loss in ratio 1:2. Next is interest on loan that is provided by the partner to the firm, 6% interest is payable. Salary, bonus, commission payable to the partner, not decided. Goodwill, not decided. Admission and retirement allowed it if both the partner agree. Dissolution with the consent of both the partners. So these were all the things that Eva and Ethan have included in their partnership deed. Thank you.